How to install your handle packer. First, move the handle to the open position and use something thin to remove the screw caps. Using a screwdriver, unscrew and remove the handle. We'll do a 1mm packer first, so we'll line up the screw holes and insert the handle over the top. Secure the handle by screwing in, reinsert the end caps, and double check the operation. To install the 6mm packer, follow the same process of removing and installing the handle over the top of the new packer. Finally, you can stack both packers on top of one another to get the extra few millimeters if necessary. Note that you may need longer screws the further out you pack the handle.